This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Backup photos and contacts to cloud or PC so you can restore if needed. Next, reboot into safe mode. This prevents third-party apps from running, which stops active malware. Once in safe mode, open Play Store and install a reputable Android antivirus app. Choose one with recent updates and good ratings. Run a full device scan immediately. The scanner finds known signatures and quarantines suspicious files. Make sure to let the scan finish without interruption. Once the scanner lists threats, uninstall each flagged app. If a removal button is blocked, go to Settings Apps to force stop and uninstall. You should also review device admin apps and revoke admin rights from anything unfamiliar, because malware often hides there to prevent removal. After uninstalling, clear cache and storage for those apps to remove leftover data. If multiple apps were infected, repeat the scan. Make sure to restart the phone out of safe mode when done to verify normal behavior. You finish by assessing if the phone behaves normally. Battery, data use, and pop-ups should be back to baseline. If problems persist after uninstalling and rescanning, back up fresh files and perform a factory reset. This removes persistent system-level infections. After reset, restore only clean backups and reinstall apps from Play Store. Change all account passwords and enable two-step verification to prevent reinfection. Troubleshooting tip: if malware resists removal,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.